Thank you for visiting my channel. Today I have prawn curry recipe for you. It's really simple and it's so tasty. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and check out all my other recipes. Anyways, let's get started with cooking now. In a preheated pan, add some oil, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaf, 4 cardamom sticks and about 10 whole black peppers. After about 10 seconds, add 1 large chopped onion. Keep on stirring until it turns half golden brown. If you make it full golden brown, then your curry's color is going to be more darker than my one. Now the onions are ready, we're going to add half glass of water and bring it to boil. In this, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix this really well and cook the spices until the water is dried up. You can follow me on Instagram to find out about my daily cooking life. I'm always active and adding posts to my story. Anyways, when you get to this point, you need to add a bit more water so that you're not burning all the spices. I've got 700 grams of prawns. I'm going to add them in here. You can also like my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Now keep cooking until the water is dried up again. This time the prawns are going to release this water, so we will have to cook a bit more longer. If you want to know which camera and other equipments I used to film my video, then check out the descriptions below and click on the links. Also, if you enjoy watching my videos, then give it a thumbs up. After about 5 to 7 minutes, when the curry is getting dry again, you will need to add a bit more water, and this is going to be the third and your last time you're adding water into this curry. Let's cook this for another 2 minutes and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut milk. This will make your curry more creamy and tasty, but if you don't like coconut milk, you can skip this step. You only need to cook for another 2 minutes and your prawn curry is going to be done. I'm adding some chopped chilies for presentation, but you can add some fresh coriander or anything that you desire. I really appreciate your time for watching my recipe today, and I hope you will try it at home, and please let me know in the comment box below. So here it is, my prawn curry is ready. I'm going to enjoy with some plain rice, and I'll see you in my next recipe. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new recipe.